So hello guys, and today I'll be teaching you how to make dice links on Monopoly Go. So first off, just go to your Monopoly application. So to create the dice link for your Monopoly friends, all you have to do is navigate the main menu right here and go to your friends. So it's located in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then after that, you would see here you have your add friends, timeline, and leaderboard. So the next thing you can do is you can also invite via contact or Facebook, or you can invite here. So if you're referring to your dices, so it's right here. So per invite, you will get dices right here. So you'll have a milestone of 20, 60, and 100, and 150 with a free token, Mr. Monopoly. So just by inviting, you can copy the link by just pressing this yellow button, the invite, then just copy it, then send it to whoever you like to, like friends or family or so. And there, you can send your Monopoly link and make more dices in Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, I hope to see you next time, and thank you for watching this video.